it. It's super easy to use and it's really lightweight. I love that it only takes 5 minutes a day, and it's using science to make your skin look younger, youthful, less wrinkly, all the good stuff, firmer, toner. It's using red light therapy that helps to really boost your skin rejuvenation, your skin repair. It also has microcurrent technology. That's like a personal trainer for all your face muscles. And then it has a warming thermotechnology to it. That's going to help give your product that you're using more effectiveness on your skin, and it gives you a facial massage, which helps with your blood flow. So all those things are combined into this little wand. It takes only 5 minutes a day, and when I'm using it, it's really soothing and relaxing on my face. So I love how it feels while I'm using it. And then I'm noticing really good results. So I'm noticing that my skin is glowing more, it's looking more youthful, and it's definitely a little bit toner than it was before. I started using this because I began noticing I'm getting these dark spots, I'm getting more wrinkles, and yes, that's just part of getting older. So that's kind of the fun of getting older, but I'm trying to embrace it, but also love when I can find tools like this.